Wyoming, and this is your weekend weather briefing. Today is July 17th. My name is Jason, and this is produced by the National Weather Service in Riverton, Wyoming. Taking a look at what happened last weekend weather, the main thing was we had some severe weather in the Casper region, up to golf ball size hail on July 15th, with a few funnel cloud reports on July 16th, and we thank anyone who sent us pictures. They are much appreciated. What will this weekend bring into next week? Well, first thing we note is warm temperatures, more summer-like temperatures in the 80s and 90s, with Graybull and Warland area getting into the mid-90s. Will there be any thunderstorms this weekend? Well, with some warm and slightly unstable air, there could be. On Friday, those chances for some isolated thunderstorms will be across the northern and central mountains, along with a few across the eastern portions of our forecast area. Saturday, these chances kind of shift to the southern half of Wyoming. And then Sunday, we kind of have a disturbance that could bring chances for isolated scattered thunderstorms across much of the forecast area across central and western Wyoming. Monday, those chances shift to northern and western Wyoming. Tuesday, there are little to no chances of thunderstorms. And Wednesday, there could be some thunderstorms, mainly isolated across northern and western Wyoming. And keep in mind, here are thunderstorm safety tips. So, what's causing all this weather? Well, the yellow lines here are 700 millibar heights. The dashed blue, we have the 700 millibar temperatures. Overlaid underneath is the surface temperatures. So as we step through this, kind of keep an eye on this high pressure here. So, several disturbances in this westerly flow on Friday could bring a few isolated thunderstorms, mainly across the central and east. Saturday, we see this high kind of push a little bit northward, bringing in a little bit of monsoonal moisture, which could bring a few thunderstorms across the southern half of Wyoming. On Sunday, this high pushes even more northward, bringing in more monsoonal moisture and maybe even a little frontal boundary. This could bring showers and thunderstorms across much of the forecast area for Sunday. Monday, we see the high push even more northward, kind of shifting isolated thunderstorms to northern and western Wyoming, and also see kind of these warm temperatures start to build in. By Tuesday, the high dominates the region, and so little to no chances for thunderstorms on Tuesday. However, we will have to kind of monitor this low pressure system up to the northwest. And as of right now, it could clip northern Wyoming on Wednesday, so a few isolated scattered thunderstorms possible across northern and western Wyoming for Wednesday. Looking out a little further on the 8 to 14 day outlook through the end of July, see that high pressure brings in warm and dry conditions, slightly above normal temperatures and slightly below normal precipitation to end July. With the dry conditions and warm conditions, fire weather could be a concern through the weekend. Here's the minimum relative humidity forecast. Anywhere you see these oranges and even reds, you start seeing low relative humidities. And that could bring some fire weather concerns, especially across central and southwestern Wyoming. Please keep current on the fire conditions in your area, especially if you have outdoor plans this weekend. We thank you for watching. Call us anytime at our 1-800 number, and you can also find us on Facebook or Twitter. And we hope that you have an enjoyable and safe weekend, no matter what your plans are this weekend. Thanks again,